Once upon a time, in a village nestled in the quiet hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. She had a heart full of dreams and a mind swirling with imagination. Each night, she would stand by her window, gazing up at the moon with a hopeful grin. The moon was Lily's best friend. It would tell her tales of distant stars and mysterious planets. One night, as the moon hung low in the sky, Lily noticed a soft glow radiating from it and heard a gentle voice calling her name. "Lily," the moon whispered, "tonight I have a special adventure for you. Close your eyes, and the moonlight will carry you beyond the stars." Lily squeezed her eyes shut and felt a sprinkle of moon dust fluttering around her. Suddenly, she was floating upwards, wrapped in a beam of soft silver light. The moonbeam carried her past fluffball clouds and over shimmering seas until she reached a magical garden in the sky. The garden was filled with glowing flowers and singing stars. In the center of this celestial garden stood a wise old owl. "Welcome, Lily," he said with sparkling eyes. "You are here because you are kind-hearted and brave. Explore the garden, and you will learn the wonders of the night." Lily wandered through the garden, touching flowers that whispered sweet melodies. She watched the stars dance around her, painting stories in the sky. She learned how the moon helps tides sway and gives gentle light to creatures who roam the night. She discovered the importance of sharing kindness, just as the moon shares its light. After a while, the moonbeam gently whisked her back to her cozy room. "Thank you," Lily whispered as she laid back in her bed, feeling peaceful and grateful. From that night on, Lily knew the moonbeam magic was with her, reminding her to be kind and brave every day. And as she drifted off to sleep, she felt the warmth of the moon's light gently wrapping around her. Henceforth, Lily cherished her dreams and promised to share her light with the world, showing that kindness and bravery can make magic in every child's heart.